Hello, you are welcome to my class today. My name is Dr. Kingsley. In my class today, I'll be taking you on nomenclature of alkanols. Alkanols are compounds with the general molecular formula ROH. Okay, this OH is called the hydroxyl, group, the hydroxyl group. So this hydroxyl group determines the chemical formula of alkanols. So in the class today, I'll be showing you how to name alkanols. Now, the first member of the alkanol family is having one carbon atom, and that is CH3OH. This is a methanol. Second member have two carbon atoms, and that is, it can be written as CH3 CH2OH, and the name is ethanol. The third member is C3H7OH, which can be written as CH3 CH2OH, and that is a propanol, and so on and so forth. Now, if we want to name alkanols, I think the first thing you do is you number the carbon atoms to determine the parent chain, the longest carbon atom that bears the OH group. So let's say, for example, you are given CH3 CH2 CH2OH. So you have to number to determine the longest carbon atom that bears the OH. This is the carbon atom that bears the OH. So if you are numbering, you number in such a way that the hydroxyl group, is given the least, possible number, or the least number possible. That is to say, if we number here, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 carbon atom is butane. Butane for 4 carbon atom. So you replace the E with what? Ol. So that is a butanol. The answer becomes butanol. Now, if we have CH3 CH2, then we have CHOH, you have CH2, CH3. You have to number the carbon atom that will give the hydroxyl group, the OH group, the least possible number. If we number from here 1, 2, 3, number from here 1, 2, 3, so the OH group will be at the third carbon from either side. So we can take any side, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what? This is a 5 carbon atom, which is a pent, pent 3 ol. To show that the hydroxyl group, the ol group, is what? Is at the third carbon atom. So that is how to number alkanols. You number in such a way that the hydroxyl group, which is the functional group, is having the least number possible, and the carbon atom that will be choosing as the longest should be the one that bears the hydroxyl group. So if we have CH3 CH2 CH, then we have CH2 OH, then we have CH2 CH2 and CH3. If we are asked to number this carbon atom, you see that if you number this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But this straight format, we don't number it this way, so it is not correct, because the straight carbon, none of them bear the functional group, which is the OH group. The functional group is here. So if we are to number, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one will give us a 4 because this side bears the OH. Number from here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that here is what? Is 5. So the best way to number is to number this longest carbon atom that bears the OH. But the OH, while you are numbering, should have the least number possible. So the right numbering should be 1 here. You have 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this side I did not number becomes a substituent. So the name will be, okay, 2-ethyl. 2-ethyl, because this is ethyl at number 2 carbon. So 2-ethyl propanol. So that is the name of the compound, 2-ethyl. Okay, then the 5 carbon atom is a propanol. Then having known this, the second, okay, rule in naming is that if you have the OH group, okay, having the same position from either side, and there is a substituent, you have to do what? You have to number to give the substituent the least number possible. What we are saying is, if we have CH3, CH, okay, then you have O, okay, let me increase the carbon atom, CH2, you have CH, then OH, then here you have CH, okay, CH3, then you have CH3. Now, when we number this, we find out that 1, 2, 3, 3 will be the position of the what? Hydroxyl group. If the number from here, 1, 2, 3, the position of the hydroxyl group is what? Is also at number 3. Remember, our numbering is to give the hydroxyl group the least possible number. But from either side now, it is having the same position. Therefore, we will now consider the substituent. Now, this side have a substituent. Why this side? Before you get to the 3, it doesn't have what? A substituent. So we must number from here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that the name of the compound will become 2-methyl. Okay? 2-methyl. Okay? Propan. Okay? What is the position? The position is at number what? 3. Propan 3 or. That will be the nomenclature or the name of that compound. Now, what of a condition whereby we have 2 or more substituents? If we have 2 or more substituents, they must be named alphabetically. They must be named alphabetically. Let's say we have CH3, C, Cl, we have CH, C, okay, CH3. Okay, we have C, H, OH, then we have CH3. So the name of the compound can be determined. Now, if you want to number, you number to give the hydroxyl group the least possible number. So from this side will be least for hydroxyl group. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have numbered, we have known the position of the hydroxyl group. The next thing is for us to, okay, name the substituent, but the substituent should be named alphabetically. This is Cl. Cl is chloro. And this is CH3, which is methyl. You can see that chloro comes before methyl. So the name should be 4-chloro, then 3-methyl. Okay? That is 5 carbon atom. The parent chain. That is a propan. Okay? Propan at number 2 all. So that is the name of the compound. Now, once again, we can have a nomenclature in which there will be, okay, more than 2 or more than 1 hydroxyl group. That is polyhydric alkanols. Polyhydric alkanols will have more than 2 hydroxyl group. How do we name them? Let's say we have CH2OH, then you have CH2, then OH. what will be the name of the compound since we have? So it is not 18,1,2-diol. Okay, this one is wrong. The E here must be there. That is 18,1,2-diol is what is correct. Okay, so that is to say that if we have CH, OH, CH, okay, CH2OH, CH, then CH, okay, CH2OH. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So the name of the compound will be, okay, 3 carbon atom is propane. So it is propane 1, 2, 3. Okay, triol. That is the correct nomenclature. And don't use propan 1, 2, 3 triol. This one is what? Wrong because there is no E. So this is what is correct. So that is how you can name alkanols. Please subscribe to my channel, share and like my videos. Thank you.